Welcome back and welcome to the world of casual interior design styles. This is such a great section, the largest section of the course, where we will cover 7 different interior design styles. Now, even though the 7 styles are all quite different from each other in terms of color schemes, furniture styles, etc., what they do have in common is that they have taken the characteristics of comfort and casualness as their design mantra. These styles are never fussy, never pretentious. Rather, they exude an air of, put up your feet and stay for a while. Without further ado, let me now introduce you to the fabulous styles of coastal chic, Scandinavian, French country, Tuscan, bohemian, farmhouse, and western. As in the previous section, I will be breaking down each of these styles for you in the same manner as I did with the formal styles. And at the end of this section, you will again have an opportunity to take a style quiz to find out which casual design style is right for you.